what they used, whether they used pens, whether they used pencils, whether they used colors, how they are shown, sir, this and all the things in ancient period, and in which period they started, sir, this kind of the things. Like that, we are having the one of the interesting topic here. Some 4,000 years ago, there is a people known as Sumerians, and Sumerians ways are at present we are finding in Asia continent the country named Iraq. At present Iraq, and during that time the people they used to be referred, the people those who are living, we can call them Sumerians. These Sumerians 4,000 years ago they prepared the maps. Where they prepared the maps, where they drawn the maps on the clay tablet. Clay tablet they were prepared there here, and in your textbook also in page 3 they given. In your textbook in the page 3 they given this kind of the picture here. You see once, figure 1.2. You can identify the Sumerians clay tablet, means the clay means that is the that kind of things they were shown here. So these Sumerians they prepared this kind of the maps there here on the clay tablet they were shown, because by the time we don't have any such kind of the papers, pens, this and all. Just whatever that mud, silt, sand, soil, like that they used to prepare some kind of the clay, like the tablet, means like this kind of things, and they used to be shown and they were be drawn the maps there here. But we don't get any clarity here, clear cut information there here, because the books were printed now and lakhs of the books they prepare, and you don't identify this kind of the way that kind of things are here, but they were given, you might have observed that is some kind of the images of that gods or the goddesses or some temples or some kind of the visuals and visible things you can observe. 4,000 years ago Sumerians they used to be explaining the people. And why like this kind of thing they hear? During that time, they used to be construct a large number of the temples. What information they are giving, sir? We need to construct a large number of the temples, and for that sake, we need a larger areas of the land we require. So where do we can found the land, and in which region, in which part, south, north, west, east directions, and where that lands are available, where such kind of the lands are available, for what sake? For construction of temples. Then next one is for the sake of to do the agriculture. For agriculture purpose, what kind of the land we require, what kind of the soil we require, where available this land, and what kind of the crop can be raised. So agriculture land, and as well as the how many people in our region, in our country, in our kingdom having the lands. Means how many landlords are there? How many landlords are there? And this group of the people, how many acres of the land having? How many acres of the land having? How much land is there? What type of the land? What type of the agriculture? And what type of the things they are raising? What kind of thing they are explaining? So related that and all will be going to be recorded. That and all will be going to be recorded in this clay tablet. In this clay tablet only they used to be showing by so and so that Enagonda village and the number of the farmers and the number of the middle farmers, small farmers and the large farmers, and this is the forest, this is the land, this is the temples, this is the agriculture, this is the houses, so this is the lakes, this is the water bodies. So they were based on this clay tablet, which is very much difficult, but very technically, very talented manner. They used to prepare such maps. Based on that only, that Iraq at present in the Asia continent, the one of the country, and these people they prepared that kind of the maps. Sumerians. That's why even now also we can found the Sumerians constructed temples are there. Sumerians constructed the number of the historical monuments are there. Still not damaged. Still not yet damaged. Such kind of constructions also we can found in a larger manner in the various parts of this Asia continent, Iraq. In Asia continent, Iraq in larger manner we can found that kind of thing there here. And at the same time we can found even along with this Iraq there is one more country we are having, Iran. In this Iran, and these people same they used, but the thing is 2006 years ago, 2600 years ago they prepared the maps. Same again they used that clay tablet only. Clay tablet only. These people 4000 years ago and these people 2600 years ago. But these people we used to be called them as not Sumerians, but they are called as Babylonians. We used to refer these people as Babylonians in Iran. Some 2600 years ago prepared the clay tablets. And how like what they showed on this clay tablets are. What they showed on this clay tablet. And this clay tablet especially they shown so these people they shown the world north to south to west to east to different directions they were showed here, but they were showed that in the center of this world map they were shown their country, maybe the Iraq or the Iran, because they want to make develop, they want to see that other all the countries people in the world should think this is the center of the trade. Center of the trade and business. You can say that is business. So why they were be having this kind of the center of the trade, they were be thinking they are drawing means because let them do, that is let them have the business, let them flourish economically. Let them flourish economically like the scheme there here. So in India of such situations, and they were prepared the maps, and they were be having such kind of the things they were drawn some 2600 years ago. Okay, and let us still we will going to discuss in ancient period, and still how like the different countries they participated, and how like they prepared such kind of the maps, and what kind of the useful things we are going to getting. We discuss tomorrow. Okay, right.